So the next question, which of the following is the location information application software? Which of the following is the location information application software? So is it MATLAB, Google, ArcGIS, Win, or what? So the right answer is option C. Then, what is the name given to any software that is included with the new computer, hardware, or other software program? What is the name given to any software that is included with a new computer, hardware, or other software program? Bundled software, pre-installed software, free software, both A and B. It is bundled and pre-installed software. So the answer is both A and B. Then what is the name given to the computing infrastructure close to the sources of data? What is the name given to the computing infrastructure close to the sources of data? So it is edge computing. What is the name given to the technique of connecting computers? What is the name given to the technique of connecting computers? Node, topology, architecture, ring. It is topology. Which of the following are the primary ways to enable LAN connections? Which of the following are the primary ways to enable the LAN connections? Ethernet, Wi-Fi, both A and B, none of the above. It is both A and B. Technique to implement virtual memory where memory is divided into units of fixed size memory is. technique to implement virtual memory where memory is divided into units of fixed size. Memory is some mistake in this. So let me delete this question. Next, a dash is a component motherboard which absorbs the heat produced by the processor and other components of computer. Dash is a component of motherboard which absorbs the heat produced by the processor and other components of computer. It is heat sink. Which of the following is the oldest web browser still in general use? Lynx, Safari, Internet Explorer, Navigator, Mosaic. It is Lynx. Accessing data on tapes is much dash than that of accessing data on disks. Slower, faster, same. It is slower, always. Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Is it tracking, formatting, flashing, allotting? Dash is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. So it is formatting. The process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors is called formatting. In computer disk storage, a sector is a subdivision of a track on a magnetic disk or optical disk. Next, dash is a very high-speed memory placed in between RAM and ROM, RAM and CPU. It is cache memory. It's a very high-speed memory placed between RAM and CPU. Virtual memory is an extremely large main memory, an extremely large secondary memory, a type of used in supercomputers, an illusion of extremely large main memory. It is actually an illusion of the extremely large memory. Which generation computer uses integrated circuits? It is third generation. Which of the following is not a valid type of mouse? Optical mouse, wireless mouse, magnetic mouse, trackball mouse. It is magnetic mouse. Which of the following is not a, this is done. The point used to connect external device to the motherboard is known as bus plug and play port DMA. It is port. The software used in the banking system will be correctly defined as system software application fifth generation interpreters. It is application software. Letter G is a valid indirect form in which of the following number system? Binary, no. Decimal, no. It's hexadecimal. Or let me check. It is not even hexadecimal. So decimal has 0 to 9. Then binary has 0 and 1. No, in hexadecimal, F is the last word. There is no G. So out of the given options, it is none of these. A note or drawing added to a slide during a presentation in MS PowerPoint is called. It is annotation. The technology of connecting to the internet via a phone line is called. It is DSL.